Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a get ready with me Thanksgiving edition. It's not going to be anything too crazy. It's just going to be a simple makeup look for Thanksgiving Day. Usually on Thanksgiving Day, a lot of us just sit around the house really with our family and we eat and stuff. So I'm not gonna like get all crazy with that. I'm just gonna do like a simple, soft glam, which is kind of what I do any other day anyways, because I'm not really like, I don't really get too crazy in the makeup section. I try to keep it as like neutral and soft as possible but still look good. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I come up with and kind of just chit chat with me, then keep watching. Okay, so first of all, I forgot to bring my Kat Von D foundation that I mix with my Fenty foundation, because right now my Fenty foundation is way too light for me and the Kat Von D foundation is too dark for me. So when I mix those two together, they come out really good. But I forgot the Kat Von D foundation at my house. So my options are the Fit Me foundation, the matte poreless, or the Makeup Forever HD. And since I'm more of a matte kind of girl, I want to do the Fit Me foundation, but then honestly I don't know if I like this foundation anymore. When I first started makeup, I used to wear this foundation a lot, but then over time I just started to realize that it didn't really help my oil. I still get oily with this foundation for some reason. It's like not matte enough for me. So yeah, I don't know, which one should I do? I think we're gonna do Makeup Forever HD just because it is a little darker than the Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna try to like throw in like a matte and a not matte. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Hopefully this video is up on Thanksgiving, so if it is, happy Thanksgiving to anybody who celebrates it. What is everybody's plans for Thanksgiving? I'm not really doing anything this year for Thanksgiving, just because my family isn't really doing anything. I mean, my grandma is cooking and whatnot, but other than that, it's not going to be like a huge, it's not going to be a huge gathering. It's just going to be like close family members, and we're just going to eat and hang out. Oh my god, the foundation looks so yellow on camera. But yeah, what is everybody else's plans? I know a lot of people usually like travel during Thanksgiving and all that. I don't like the way this brush is blending this foundation right now for some reason. I'm gonna switch to my beauty blender. But yeah, I know a lot of people travel and everything, but wasn't really up for that this year, just because I don't know, it's just a lot to do, and Thanksgiving is only like, it's only Thanksgiving. I see, like, I don't know, it's just different. Like if people don't see their family often, then yeah, like traveling is necessary. And I really don't see my family often either, but I just feel like it wasn't necessary for Thanksgiving. Like Thanksgiving is not like Christmas, and also I don't know, like the older I get, the older I start to realize that Thanksgiving is not really that important. I mean, obviously like family is important and like that's what brings us together as a family, but it's just, the older you get, the more you start to realize like what Thanksgiving is really about, and it's just not how it used to be when we were kids. When we were kids, we didn't really like know much about why we were celebrating Thanksgiving, but whatever, like that was a time to link up with like cousins that you don't usually see on a daily basis, and to eat good food. But when you get older, you'll slowly start to realize that Thanksgiving is kind of a scam. But whatever, we won't get into that. But this foundation is looking super, super yellow, and it's really messing up my whole vibe right now because I really needed that Kat Von D foundation. So like, I don't even know how the rest of this is gonna, like, I don't know how this is gonna come together, but we'll figure it out, I guess. I'll just enter Thanksgiving yellow as fuck. I guess that works. And you know, another thing you'll start to realize when you get older is that, like, during Thanksgiving, the older you get, the more, well, I don't know if this is probably just me. I'm sure that this is not how everybody feels about the situation, but the holidays just give me so much anxiety, because not only do you have to sit in a house full of family members that you rarely even see and that don't even really know you, and then like all the questions and the interrogation and the what are you gonna do with your life, what's the plan, like what are you doing, what do you do for work now, are you still in school? It's just too much. I hate those questions. I just wish that we can mingle without needing to be in each other's business, you know? Or like, I don't know if like people do that shit for small talk, but I don't like it. Don't ask me what the fuck I'm doing in the future. You'll see when we get there. I don't need you asking me like, how's work? I'm not trying to think about work right now. Like, this is the one time that I can get away from work. So like, why would I want to talk about work on Thanksgiving? I don't want to talk about school because I'm done with school. School is over. School is done. So we no longer need to bring it up. If I want to go back, when I want to go back to school, you guys will know, because I'll be in school and I'll talk about it. But until then, like, no, I'm not in school. I'm not thinking about going back to school. Like, I've done all I've wanted to do, you know? The holidays is just so much pressure. And then it's like on Christmas, when Christmas comes around, you get the same people asking you the same questions. It's like, dude, you just seen me last month on Thanksgiving and you literally asked the same questions. Yes, I still work at the same job I worked at a month ago. I hate it. I really do. And I just don't understand why people take the opportunity to be all up in other people's business. What about your life? What are you doing, like, besides being in other people's business? I will never be that auntie when I get older and like I have nieces and nephews that are older. Like, I'm never gonna like be all up in these shit. Like, I don't give a shit. If I see with my eyes that my like niece or nephew or little cousin or whatever is doing okay, then that's all I need to know. I don't need to be in the business because it's not mine. It's not my business. It's like, if you're alive to be here and celebrate Thanksgiving and Christmas with us, that's all that really matters. And I feel like that's all that should matter. If I'm here, if I'm present, like, I'm good, I don't look like a fucking crackhead, I'm healthy, you know, I'm not dead, then everything is fine. Don't worry about me, okay? I just don't need that negativity in my life. Maybe when I start to host Thanksgiving and like Christmas dinners or whatever, I'll fucking put that sign outside my house, like, no fucking questions, no life questions, or else you're getting kicked out, period. I don't know, this makeup isn't really turning out that good, honestly. I really think it was the foundation that fucked me up, and I need to shave my face. The application of my makeup is just not going on as smooth right now because like I have a lot of hair on my face, and hair is texture. Guys, I don't know, I'm not really feeling this. Like, I have so much texture on my face right now, and like you can clearly see it. So I moved the camera closer so you guys can get a closer look at how fucking nasty my face looks. Like, oh my god, this is not, I'm sorry guys, because I'm over here trying to like give you guys a little Thanksgiving look, and following this look will have you looking fucked up on Thanksgiving. Like, your family members are gonna be like, honey, are you okay? Because your face looks fucking terrible. This is not what I wanted out of this video. But whatever, I'm gonna just keep going because I don't know why. Because I'm not about to wash it off. So I'm not even at this point, don't even take notes on this makeup look. Like, I'm gonna do it, and like if it comes out good, then like cool. But as of right now, I feel like at this point you guys can do better than what the fuck I'm doing over here. Okay, so after I put powder on, I am going to spray my face with this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Honestly, it's cool. I got it in a BoxyCharm box. Not a big fan of the smell. It smells like flowers, and I don't like the smell of flowers. So if you like the smell of flowers, this is perfect for you, but it's kind of too strong. I'm gonna put some blush on, and I'm gonna use the Note blush in Desert Rose. I got this in BoxyCharm as well, and I'm just gonna put it a little bit on, because I don't like to look super rosy. I just like to look like there's a little something pushing through, you know? I'm just gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow underneath the eye, and I might put a little on top. I don't know, we'll see when we get there. And I am using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette. Oh my god, I went way too heavy. Whatever. I feel like this color is cute for Thanksgiving. It's very turkey vibes, I guess. It's not gonna look as harsh because once I put mascara, once I put mascara on my bottom lashes, it's gonna it's not gonna show as much. So then I'm gonna take the Wander Beauty Unlashed mascara that I also got in BoxyCharm. Shout out to BoxyCharm because that's damn near where all my makeup comes from. But I'm gonna just pop this at the bottom of my eyelashes so that we can kind of get a little more dimension down here, and so the color that I put down there doesn't look so dramatic. So I put mascara at the bottom lashes, and I also popped on some lashes, and I think that the lashes probably save the look a little bit. At least in person they look good. I feel like in here my eyes just look super black around. Like, I don't know why that is, because I don't even have that much makeup on my eyes, to be honest. I didn't even put on eyeliner. Like, it's literally just eyeshadow and mascara. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put some highlighter on, and I'm gonna use the Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and we're going to spray our brush, put some on our nose. And I like to kind of put some right here too. And then we're gonna okay, so we're gonna use the shade Cappuccino in NYX, and I use this pencil all the time, which is why it's this small. So yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Pinkies Up. And then I'm gonna take the Ofra liquid lip in the shade Verona. Guys, I use a lot of lip choices just because I can never get like the right color I'm looking for unless I mix a lot of colors. Also, I layer up so much that like I'll lose one color while layering another one, so then I have to go back and get that color back. It's a process. And then lastly, I'm going to take the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stay Neutral, and I'm gonna just put that in the middle of my lips. Look, I'm debating on, should I put lip gloss? Should I do a gloss lip? Should we do a gloss lip? I think we should just try it. Let's just see how it looks. I'm more of a matte lip, but I rarely wear lip gloss, so let's just see how it goes. I am using Makeup Shayla's Ultra Glossy Lip, her ColourPop collection, in the shade Neat Freak. This is my Thanksgiving look. It definitely came a long way. I feel like I could have done better, but overall I think that it fell into place. It's definitely just a little more laid back, relaxed, which is what you want for Thanksgiving, since you're just going to be hanging around your family. You know, like, we're not going out, we're not going to the club, you know, we ain't doing all that. We just chilling and we're eating. So, you know, makeup is gonna get ruined anyway when you really dig in that plate, you know what I'm saying? This is it. This is definitely like, I'm chilling, I'm here, I'm cute, but I'm not doing too much. This is definitely put Auntie Shirley in her place look. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys got this far to the end, thank you so much for your support. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.